mates, welcome back. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. I got BEX Plus open right here. I want to show you this here really quickly on this update so you can kind of know where we're at here with Bitcoin this afternoon. Obviously, I know a lot of you are still buy up, which is solid. You can see buy up from the 37,000 level yesterday, okay? And today at that level, it's now 40,419. What does that mean? Big scheme of things, not a heck of a lot yet. It has to hold this level. It actually has to get really to 42,000, but we'll take 40,000. 40,000 has become a psychological resistance level for Bitcoin. And so happy that we're here, but now you have to look at what the next move is. Remember, it's always a continuing thing being in and out of trade scenarios, right? So what you want to do, you can see this, what's happening right here. In this last 4-hour stick has predominantly been the move for Bitcoin up going into the weekend. So what you want to examine is, okay, take profit now and move on, okay? From 37,000 here, call entry, 40,400, 2,600 level for Ethereum is now 2,900. You got XRP up 3 cents. Look at a 3 cent move in XRP is 541% on BEX Plus. Cardano, a 5 cent move is 481%. Okay. And so that's what you want to look at. But how you can exit those trades is one way. Okay. And take profits and then examine each individual asset on where it is on the RSI level. Second, you can straddle the level, which is very, very effective. And for those of you who may not know what straddle means, it means you've got both an open buy up and an open sell down. Depending upon your exchange, you may have to use 2 different exchanges to do that simultaneously. Some exchanges will allow you to do it. Most exchanges will only allow you to have one entry open in one particular token asset at a time. So that's why it's important to have multiple exchanges, mates, okay, to play out all the methods. Okay, so a straddle would be now your buy up. For example, this Bitcoin entry was at 3758.91. It's now 40,413 on the call, plus 830% on the call entry. Now what you would do is buy when you reach that 70 level RSI, which we are on our way. We are currently above. Actually, we are above it on the 4-hour. Enter your sell down. It's a hedge. Now, people say, oh, well, if Bitcoin keeps going up higher, I could lose that. Yes, you could. You could either have to average it back up with Bitcoin, or it's basically a protection hedge of all of your profits. Because what can happen is if you don't take the exit in your buy up, and all of a sudden Bitcoin reverses on you, you're going to start losing. This is going to start dropping to 700%, 600%, 500%. And obviously when you're at 800%, that's different. But if you're at 100% or 70%, it could drop to 50, 40, 30 pretty darn quickly. Okay? If you get a sell down or a reversal, right? Because remember, we're approaching what some would consider a bull trap. Okay, because of all of the resistance that's right here between 40 and 42. Okay, and so if the bears went out, if that resistance level holds, Bitcoin's going to sell back down to 38,000, mates. 37, 38, probably pretty quickly. Okay, could even happen this evening. Okay, but if it holds or confirms a 4-hour candle set after this one above 40,000, that's positive and bullish. And then we've got low volume, most likely probably buying tomorrow to kind of keep Bitcoin up going into Sunday night's close, which if it closes above 40,000 on Sunday night, for the week, that's positive for Monday morning. And see how all this kind of builds, okay? And it's all predicated now on Bitcoin holding above 40,000. But there's a lot of indication that it's not going to break. And so it very well may, and let's hope that it does, but that hedge sell down protects that profit you have.